But I don't understand. Why do you want to immigrate in another country? Look, in my case, I have good life in my country, but I have to move in another country because purpose, purpose, for war purpose. That was the main reason.
Okay.
But
So,
my advice for you uh, before you move in another country, make sure that you have a wife, okay?
you have a wife. Oh my God.
Because here we have a little girl in Germany.
Oh, you have girl?
What?
No, we have little of them, like uh,
Uh,
a lot of boys, but uh, not so many girls for
Oh,
them.
oh, okay, okay, okay. I got it. I got
Very
it
high
now.
level of competition.
I got it
okay.
now.
I don't believe it. Yeah.
So, is it right in
Also,
Germany not a lot of girl?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay, okay. So I should change my mind, right? Do you think?
Yes, as I
hmm.
said, I seriously before you move, and that's no matter in which country. In the United States, by the way, in the United States, the situation, especially in Canada, much more worse than in Europe. Make sure that you have a wife before before you move.
Okay, okay. Tell me the name. Which country should I go for for male or female?
No, no, no. I I try to tell you that
Bro, you make mistake. I will show you right now. I search on the Google right now. You
first step. Look. Please look at me. First step. It's find the wife in your country. In your country.
okay,
Then
So go back to
together.
Bangladesh.
Yeah, in Bangladesh. Then together with her, move here to Germany, or I don't know, in Canada or in the United States, in Australia. I don't know, in Poland, in Frankreich or French. That's
so
no matter.
so if I go to anywhere, I have to first marry it. Otherwise, it is not
Yes,
possible.
yes, yes. That's what I tell you. Yes.
Otherwise, it is not possible.
So make that it will possible. Make it possible, okay? Make it possible, then married, then only after that immigration. Step by step, you know.
Oh,
If you won't follow my advice, you will single rest of your life.
I, Gary, you are young. You can find
oh my God.
a German girl.
Okay, okay, okay. Gary, are you married?
No,
No, he isn't.
So why why you are giving that advice me? Why
because
don't
I'm
you
not
do?
married. Because I'm not married. Because I've made these mistakes.
Oh, okay. You are thinking you are make mistakes. You made
No, I
mistake.
don't think so. I'm sure that I make mistake. The
Oh,
first, in my case, I cannot find the wife because it happened suddenly. I didn't expect that. It's like war started suddenly. I didn't expect that. And during the war, it's hard to find the girlfriend or any relationship. Like, look at me, it's ridiculous. Like, oh, there is war. Don't you want to create family with me? And no matter that our country is on the war, or let's marry them together, move in another country. No, that's not work that way. You should be in normal conditions, normal condition, like no war, no crisis. No any specific uh, situations.
Hmm. So okay, tell me one story which is very made you trouble, and you are facing this trouble, and in this case you are telling me, like telling all boys, so that they cannot make this kind of mistake.
Mhm. Okay,
May
but
I?
before I will tell you this, hey, say hello to Nina. Nina, hello.
Oh yeah, okay. Hi Nina.
Nina,
Nina and Ania are same name. Nina
Mm,
Ania. Nina Ania.
yeah, it's
Okay, Nina is silent, so we can speak
wait wait
when.
for.
Okay, Ania, what he said? Is
No,
it
no,
right?
I'm here. I'm here. It's just my. Um, I boil the meat on the kitchen.
Okay, okay. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Uh, okay. Probably you hope that. Okay, I will find. I will find. I will find. I will find. I will find the girl or the wife. I don't know, or the relationship in immigration in that country, exactly in that country where I move. That's what you are thinking right now. But that's not work that way.
Oh, so I'm thinking like that. Who told you?
Excuse me?
I'm asking. You are telling me like I'm thinking like that. Do you think?
Yes.
Do you think? Do you think that?
No, I ask you.
Oh no no, totally not. I just want to move abroad for studying purpose.
Ah, yes, for studies.
Now tell me. Now tell me what should I do?
Uh, you should,
Get married fast.
yes, get married and together with your wife move to another country to immigration. And you know, it will be easier for you guys when you are together.
Oh my God. Why you are making this scene like together? I'm 20
Uh,
years old. I will get married maybe 28 or 30, something like that. When I will finish my graduation, when I am able to do something in my life, so I have a career also. So I have
you
to
mean
think. Hmm.
earn money?
No, earn money is later, but I'm thinking about just a study right now. And if it is possible, study and earning some money, that could be better. But why I have to get married first, and I have to study. I don't know. I don't know why.
Uh, because now you 20 23 years old and after your graduation, after your immigration, you will be probably 30 years old.
Yeah, that's right.
And you will,
But what is your tension? I don't know. What is your tension?
and when you will be 30 years old,
I will be
you
very
will,
old. Do you think?
no, when you will be 30 years old, you will be very surprised that around you, that you not